Hi, come on in. You're at 77th and Vine, Winemaking Supplies and Hobby Shop. We also carry a nice selection of beer supplies and equipment. My name's Matt Meddy, and I'm going to go through the process of winemaking with you. Now that we've already gone through the fermentation process, we're going to transfer the grape juice, which is pretty much now wine, into a carboy for fining and stabilization. So the first thing we want to do, as always, is make sure everything is cleaned and sanitized. We want to clean and sanitize everything, and what we've already started the process by using just a bucket, or you could use a sink. And we sanitize the things that we're going to need. Right now we need a wine thief, we need the tube for a sample, we need the hydrometer, and the transfer hose, and the stirrer. Okay, so let's go through all the parts that we have. This, as you know from our first lesson, is the fermenter. This is an airlock. Keeps the air from entering the wine while it's being in process. This is a glass carboy that's used for fining and stabilization. We have a test tube type plastic container where we put the product in, and a hydrometer that we use to test a specific gravity. More about that later. And we have a stirrer that we use for the fermenter in the bucket, which is the bigger end, and then the smaller end is for the carboy, so it's just a matter of flipping it over. We have the transfer pump. You just pump it once, and as you'll see, it'll go right from the fermenter into the carboy. And to get the sample, we have a wine thief, and it's just a simple, there's several different types. There's glass, plastic, and how this works is you just put it into the wine. Water seeks its own level, so the wine will rise in the tube. When it gets up and it doesn't rise anymore, you're going to put your thumb on the top and then transfer it into the tube. So let's get started.